Hi guys, welcome back to Thompson TV. It's Charlotte and today I'm going to be talking you around one of our brand new vehicles that has just arrived into stock, which is the Hymer MLT 580. It's 3-berth with 4 seat belts, whopping 190 brake horsepower on a 2-litre engine and all-wheel drive. So this vehicle is 6.98 metres in length. We've got the two-tone metallic paint in obsidian black, and we've also got our BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres with the gloss steel rims. So at the front of the vehicle we've got the Hymer exterior style pack. So it's got your radiator with the chrome grille, you've got your LED daytime running headlights as well as your fog lamps. So to the side of the vehicle we've got our Thule Omnistrator awning. Electric welcome step at the door, you'll definitely need that. You've got your outside barbecue point, electric hookup. Your garage is actually operated by your central lock-in. And then you've got your roof ladders at the back with your reverse camera and your spare wheel. And if that wasn't good enough, we've also got a tow bar as well underneath that. So guys, I think this gives you a bit of an idea for the size of the garage we're dealing with here. And to the left of me is our two 3-pin sockets. And we've got an outside shower point as well with access to hot and cold water. So on the roof we have two 95-watt solar panels. And then making our way down to the front, we've got the Hymer Smart battery system. So there's twin leisure batteries in here. So Joel can show you a little clip of those. So into the cab of the vehicle we've got the Winter Package Plus, so that includes your heated driver and passenger seat. You've also got a heated steering wheel as well. You can electrically adjust the seats at the side. There's a little button that's actually just at the other side of me here, so you can adjust the comfort of your seats. You've got built-in adaptive cruise control to the steering wheel. You've got your hands-free with your voice recognition. Down below here you can actually pull in the electric welcome step from the comfort of your seat if you forget to pull that in, and you can empty out your wastewater tank here as well. You've got your climate zone, and again you've got your heated windscreen down here. On to the infotainment system with a 10.25 MBUX system in this. So as you can see there, you've got your DAB radio, you can connect your phone up through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you've also got a built-in sat-nav. So into the living space we've got our 3rd and 4th seat belts. Absolutely love the upholstery finish on this vehicle. You've got the cream part leather on the driver and passenger seats as well. Your table collapses down and makes up into the 3rd berth, and above me here is a panoramic sky view, which is lovely. It lets all the natural light seep in. In the living space we've got a 32-inch TV, which is also on a bracket. And into your kitchen area we've got our sink with a lovely matte black finish. It's built into the wall. There's a drinking filter as well installed with this one. 3-ring gas burner, and then just above the habitation door is our control panel, which you can run off the Hymer Connect app. If you're wondering about the heating, it runs off the Truma combi diesel and electric. So to the back of the kitchen then is our fridge freezer. And you've got a cooling box underneath that as well actually, and you've got a nice big freezer box. Above that is our Thetford oven. And then behind me is our rear single bed layout. So of course that gives you the big garage. You can leave that as 2 single beds, or you've got that cushion there to make it up into a double. Onto the wardrobe. So as I was saying, you do have heaps of storage. You've got a full hanging rail there for all your coats, and then just underneath me is additional space, and there's the same just behind me as well. At the back then we have a 3-pin socket over to the left with a USB charging port, and over to the right we've got USB charging ports as well. So into our bathroom then, we actually have a separate shower and toilet, which is a lovely feature. And you've got a lovely big vanity mirror there, as well as additional little storage cupboards for all the toiletries. So guys, thanks for watching. That was a walkthrough of our Hymer MLT 580 4x4. It's priced at £147,730. Full details of the vehicle can be seen online at thompsonleisure.com. If you have any further queries or you'd like to arrange to come down to view this vehicle, you can give us a call on 028 92 69 3999, or alternatively you can give me an email, and it's charlotte@thompsonleisure.com. Thank you, bye bye.